Home buyers, when you're at an open house, don't just soak in the ambiance. Be a detective too. Here are key things to focus on. And if you're new to my page, I'm Franco Ippolito, an experienced full-time realtor in Ottawa, always willing to help buyers and sellers with their real estate needs. Number one is structural integrity. Check for any cracks in the ceiling and the wall. Are the floors level? Signs of structural issue may be a red flag. Number two, windows and doors. Open and close them. Do they operate smoothly? Is there a draft? Well-sealed windows and doors are crucial for energy efficiency. Number three, waterworks. Turn on a faucet, flush the toilet, check for water pressures and drainage. Water stains and musty smells is a signal of plumbing issues. Number four, electrical systems. Flip the switch, check the outlets, make sure the electrical system is up to date. Flickering lights and warm outlets could be a problem. Number five, roof conditions. If possible, look at the roof from the outside. Missing shingles or wear and tear could mean costly repairs down the road. And number six, appliance check. Test the appliance and HVAC system. Knowing their age and condition could help estimate future maintenance costs. And number seven, neighborhood vibes. Wander around the neighborhood. Are amenities and schools and public services accessible? What's the overall atmosphere? And finally, number eight, storage space. Peek into the closets and storage areas. Sufficient storage is often a big plus. Remember, an open house is your opportunity to scrutinize, ask plenty of questions, take notes, and envision if this can be your future home sweet home. And if you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Your real estate journey starts with a conversation.